So in last class, we discussed about basic Java. So what are the features for the Java? Key features for the Java: object-oriented, platform-independent, similar, simple and familiar, secure, robust, multi-thread, high-performance, distributed, dynamic, and all. So let us try to understand what are the different kind of topics which are going to be available for the Java. See, basically, any programming language, common features, something like variables. Okay, so we try to go with the variables and data types. Yeah, we'll go with the first program, how to write first program for Java. So how to compile the first program for Java. And after that, we discussed about the different kind of variables, different kind of data types, and the common features like operators. And we will discuss about the loops, and we'll discuss about conditions. See, these are the major topics for any programming language which are going to be available. So we already know that every file, Java file is going to be saved with. Java files are going to be saved with .java format. Okay, so this is very important. And every Java file should contain main method. Should contain main method. And this main method only compiles first. Okay, so every Java program compiles with JVM. Java program compiles with JVM, Java Virtual Machine. For Java Virtual Machine, the first initialized file is first initialized method is main method. Okay, so from main method only the complete programs are going to be executed. Okay, first main method should execute. So from the main method only the throughout the complete things will execute. So this is what actually the thing is. Okay, let us try to do the first program in Java. So in last class we already done with the installation part, how to install Java for the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a nice editor where you can able to work with the Java. So not only Visual Studio Code, you can go with Eclipse. Eclipse is a famous editor for Java. So you can go with Eclipse or you can go with Visual Studio Code. But our classes will go with the Visual Studio Code only. And one more thing is Java NetBeans. Okay, so Java IntelliJ IDEA. So these are the different these are the different editors where you can able to work with the first program. So we'll try to work with Eclipse. We try to work with the Visual Studio Code, and we try to work with the IntelliJ IDEA. All these things. Okay, but our complete course will be going with the Visual Studio Code, and we'll see how to work with the Eclipse and how to work with the IntelliJ IDEA also. Okay, so I already installed Java in my system. So that is the reason I can able to execute my programs using with the Visual Studio Code. Let me write the first program, Java. So first program. Okay, so each and everything I will save in the notes. Okay, so after sending these notes, you can do practice from the notes, and I will share the files also. Let me create a new file and save it as hello.java. Okay, so I'm just saving the file name as hello.java. So just save like hello.java. When you save the file with the .java extension, so it is a Java file. It is a Java file. So let me write the first program from the Java. So let me take the code here. Okay, so I'm just pasting the code. This is the code actually I want. Okay, my file name is just like hello. Okay, okay, very clear. So my code is actually working now. So allow with OpenJDK platform. Okay, so hello world actually came. So whatever you want, you can just place it. So I'm actually placing here very simple. Public class hello. This is the first main method. Public class hello. Public class hello. This is my class file. But inside this, definitely we need to take a main method. Main method is the first execution file for the JVM. Main method is the first execution file, the JVM. So public static void main. This is the common syntax for the Java. Public static void main. So later we will discuss about what is public, what is static, what is void, and what is main. All this. Main is the default thing, and Java is case sensitive. Remember some note point here. Java is case sensitive. It means capital case is capital and small letters are smaller. Java is case sensitive. Just to try to understand it. Okay, so whatever the first program I'm writing here, very clear. And how to run this particular code. So whenever you want to print something, you can just go like this: system.out.print. System.out.print. I am just taking a string data. So a common string. This is something like a hello world. Yeah, you can give hello world in single quotes or double quotes, whatever you want. Just like hello Java. I'm just writing something like hello Java. Okay, so when I'm giving single quote, maybe it is not working. So let me go with the double quotes. Java need double quotes. Okay, so single quotes are not allowing. Yeah, let me take double quotes hello Java. So just click on the play button. When you click on the run button, automatically this code will run and your output will be hello Java. So not only hello Java, I can write one more line. Okay, let me take copy this and I'm just writing my name, hello Srinivas. Just write something like this. So multiple lines I'm writing here. Hello Srinivas also I'm writing. System.out.print hello Srinivas. When you run this, so hello Java, hello Srinivas, both are in the same line. Can you see and observe hello Java, hello Srinivas, both are in the same line. I don't want to see in the same line. Just you need to give a simple thing, print ln. Ln means new line will take. A line new, ln means line new. New line will take automatically hello Srinivas. Now the two things will come line by line. Now if you play the program, so I can see hello Java and hello Srinivas completely there. So in this way, you can write your first program. This is the first program, whatever we have. Just cleaning the console. Okay, so let me keep the first program saved. Okay, so whenever you are writing some code, please go with the save. Save option is available. Okay, just clean your code. Okay, so copy the code and paste in the first program here. This is my first program. So this is something like hello.java. So file name is hello.java. And inside this, I'm just taking something. This is the code for that. And whenever I'm writing the code is properly executing. So in Visual Studio Code, you can search for Java. You can search for Java here. When you search for Java, automatically something is going to be come to you. Please download the JDK. Automatically Java will install by the JDK and JRE. Okay, so what is JDK? Java Development Kit. JRE is Java Runtime Environment. Both are automatically installing to you. No need to install separately. So directly you can able to install with the Visual Studio Code. This is the easiest way to write the first program with the Java. Okay, so in the coming video, we will see about the variables in Java, how to prepare variables and all. Okay, so thanks for watching.